Hi everyone, this is not Stanley Tucci, but I am Italian on both sides. And we're not going to have something Italian today, we're going to have Beef Wellington. So we've got a pretty large tenderloin, and we're going to divide this in half. We're going to make routine just a regular tenderloin, like we would on a Sunday, and we're also going to do a Beef Wellington. So the initial part is we're going to just sear it on all sides, season it heavily with salt and pepper, sear it on all sides. Right now, perfect sear on all sides. And this is the Dijon mustard.
Yep, we cut the strings off.
No strings attached.
No strings attached. All sides.
You want me to turn it over?
Yeah, try it.
All right. Wow, look at that.
It already tastes good, doesn't it?
It does. So what do we have here?
So we've got some roughly chopped mushrooms, shallots. I've got a little garlic here, and then a couple teaspoons of thyme are going to go in, and then that's all going to go in the food processor.
We got to put Mel to work today. I'm just going to be the photographer. I'm Marty Scorsese today, and she's the surgeon.
Look out, world. All right, so we'll put half of this in here.
Do it. Cool. So this is the same pan that the beef was
Seared in.
And this is our mixture of
Mushrooms and the shallot, garlic, thyme, and it's in,
butter.
yeah. So we've laid out our plastic wrap. Now we're laying down the prosciutto. So it's all laid down.
Here's our page of prosciutto. Looking good, folks.
All right, moment of truth. Here we go. And roll.
Try to give ourselves the opportunity for the best result. We're rolling. I think that this should fall in.
Yep, tuck it in.
Right. Roll, baby, roll.
Wow.
Roll Tide. Press the guy. This is it.
Okay.
Here's our little baby.
Dun, dun, dun.
All right, there it
Right.
be.
Tucking it in for a little bit. We're back.
All right, here we go. The unveiling.
We're out of the fridge.
Voila.
Woo.
Right. Oh. Now this
Okay.
goes on here, right?
Yep.
Okay.
And
Now,
roll it.
So just. All right.
Yep. On the inside.
Yeah. Why not? Who's to say you can't?
Nobody.
Are the pasta police aren't here today?
Neither are the egg police.
All right, I'm just gonna roll it.
Yeah.
Roll it. Roll it. Roll it.
And then I don't know. I think it says to like trim the ends, like just
Trim.
cut.
I'm just tucking them in.
Okay.
Don't at me. All right. So, this recipe is from our friend Kathy Szymanski, one of our OR nurses. So,
Whoop, whoop.
Yep. So, Kath, here
That
goes.
she got from her daughter.
That's right. Here goes.
Oh, that's done.
Oh, I think it looks pretty good there. All right.
Pink in the center.
For an amateur,
Yeah.
look at that. Not bad, sports fans.
Okay.